For over 2 years, we've been developing a product that pushes the technical boundaries of what's possible and is revolutionary in both appearance and functionality. Meet the Arculus Onyx, the world's first additively manufactured 3-axis camera gimbal, the future of camera motion control. Current electronic stabilizers help to keep cameras stable when shooting video, but they also have many shortcomings. They don't consider camera safety, they are heavy, cumbersome and hard to operate. Our mission was to stabilize your camera in the most protective, lightweight and agile package possible, allowing you to unleash your creativity in the most challenging situations and environments. Hi Kickstarter, together with my brother Jimmy, we are the co-founders of Arculus. Inspired by our love of action sports in the New Zealand outdoors, the Onyx needed to be extremely versatile so it could be taken on the most wild adventures. With backgrounds in industrial design, mechanical engineering and filmmaking, our complementary skill set has allowed us to push manufacturing boundaries to rethink, redevelop and redesign what a camera motion control device can be, creating the ultimate tool for risk-taking filmmakers.
What makes the Onyx different? The skeleton of the structure has been additively manufactured using grade 5 titanium alloy, the highest strength to weight ratio of any metal. This gave us a design freedom to innovate with incredible complexity. In combination with typology optimization, we have mathematically calculated material layout, being able to create internal structures. Every gram of weight has been optimized to provide maximum structural integrity. The Onyx is very compact. With its unique handle geometry, it is very intuitive to operate. Its weight and size mean it can be used in the most awkward and difficult situations. It can be passed easily between operators, and when it's time to have a break, the gimbal can be placed without the need for a stand. It maintains a payload weight of up to 2 kilos, and with our toolless 3-step balancing system, it dramatically reduces setup and rebalancing times. A 32-bit control system with encoded brushless motors provide optimal image stabilization performance. With a battery life of up to 8 hours, it also has the means to power the camera and other accessories. We've got a great selection of options available. A naked version for an extremely lightweight setup, and the ultimate protection package with XRD pour and foam covering the carbon fibre shells and the handle, along with the polycarbonate dome.
At Arculus, we're developing a team of engineers, filmmakers and business developers with the same goal in mind: inspire creators to take risks and unleash their creative visions. Funds from this campaign are going directly into expanding our electrical and software engineering department and further developing our printing techniques, tolerances and materials. We will only be producing a limited quantity of units for our Kickstarter campaign and shipping in order of our backers. We've been getting some amazing results and we can't wait to see what our backers will produce. Let the Onyx inspire your creativity with the confidence that you need. Create without compromise and back us today.
Hey Kickstarter, we are Ápodo, a company born in Spain to reinvent camera motion systems. Our aim is to make professional equipment accessible to any photographer or video enthusiast. In 2016, a group of professional filmmakers realized during a shoot how difficult it was to control camera motion systems and how expensive and complex they were. Therefore, we decided to come together and create a unique solution that could fix all these problems. That's how Ápodo Slider Dolly was born. After selling the product in Spain and realizing its potential, we come to Kickstarter to expand our borders and make this innovative product available to everyone. Ápodo Slider Dolly is the perfect solution for people who needs a versatile, programmable and portable slider that fits in a backpack. This premium 2-in-1 product offers all the benefits of a motorized slider with the best of a motorized dolly. The dolly is our main component. Your movement is not limited. You only need a flat surface to move your camera freely. Due to its rotating axis, you'll have infinite possibilities. You can go from this shot to this one with only one movement. One of the main attractions of the dolly is that it is a perfect tool for advertising. With it, you can record videos surrounding products, approaching an artwork, etc. All this, added to the easy transport, makes the dolly the perfect ally for every filmmaker. The only component of our slider and dolly is the advanced slide system. It's the part of the product in which we spent more hours developing. Due to our research, we detected that all these systems are usually bulky. Therefore, we have created a new revolutionary solution, a portable slider. We have developed detachable rails with maximum precision, which makes the assembly imperceptible. You can enjoy being able to travel with this motorized slider and support it precisely on any surface or using tripods, thanks to its different points of support. In addition, slider and dolly is designed to work even in vertical motion, being able to move up to 7.7 pounds. With the adjustable legs, the ground won't be an obstacle anymore. Tracking a subject in an interview at any distance, film arcing or sweeping shots wherever you want are possible with the slider and dolly. You just need to plug the panning module on the dolly and it will provide you with stunning dynamic sequences. In addition, thanks to its ultra-quiet technology, you can record interviews like this directly with the camera's microphone. During our market research, we discovered that people were looking for a simple control. So, we have developed an intuitive real-time programming and control system which allow you to work in 4 different modes. Manual mode offers the possibility to control in real time the speed of the slider and dolly in a range of 40 different speeds, from 0.03 inches per second to 15.35 inches per second, allowing you to adapt to any kind of a scene. Set initial and ending points of the motion desired, speed, acceleration ramp percentage, and if you want to repeat it in a loop or not. It's that easy to use the automatic mode. In time-lapse mode, we have included shoot move shoot method. That means that the camera only moves between exposures and stands still during shoot. It is the only way to make a time-lapse work. You will have to set initial and ending points of the motion, the final clip time, interval, and exposure time. With the trigger cable included, the slider will control your camera shot. Advanced mode of exposure time control will allow you to set different exposure ramps for sunset and sunrise time lapses. Using the same parameters as time-lapse mode, in stop motion, you will control each shoot. This will let you to physically manipulate the objects between shots and create the illusion of movement. When we started the project, we knew that one of the main objectives was to make the product accessible to anyone. Therefore, we have focused on reducing the cost of our product using the most advanced technology, such as 3D printing. These allow us to launch a premium product with a low price to the market. Kickstarters, we need you. We need you to create a global filmmakers community without borders. A community in which creativity is the main objective, which will allow you to focus only on telling the story you really want to tell.
If you want to deliver great content, you need a great workflow. The problem is that it's always a race against the clock. You plan, and you prepare, you shoot, and shoot, then you wait. And finally, you wait. What if you could regain lost time and start the finishing process the moment you get the last shot? With the new GNARBOX, let your work flow. GNARBOX 2.0 SSD is a rugged backup device for content creators who prefer to travel without a laptop. Unlike other portable hard drives, we have assembled an ecosystem of mobile applications that serve the professional workflow from the field to the studio. New to the GNARBOX experience is an onboard display and 4-button system, giving you the industry's fastest file transfers with custom folder trees and a checksum confirmation, without the need for a computer, phone, or tablet. For more control over your backups, use the new SafeKeep app to view connected drives, organize and rename folders, manage your auto backup settings, and even sync to Dropbox. In the Selects app, photographers have an optimized environment for fast file viewing and culling of thousands of raw photos. A simple set of tools let you rate and organize using EXIF metadata, preparing you for the edit at home in Lightroom. Using the Sequence app, you can now quickly play back high-res video, set edit in and out points, create bins, and even render files into ProRes. Any edit you start in the Sequence app can be exported as an XML project into Adobe Premiere or Final Cut Pro, bridging your workflow from the field to the studio. To make social content and stories easier when you're on the go, we've partnered with industry leaders LumaFusion and Adobe Lightroom CC to bring top-tier mobile editing experiences to our platform. The new GNARBOX system is supported by an Intel quad-core processor, 4 GB of RAM, up to 1 TB NVMe SSD, an SD card slot, 2 USB-C ports, and a replaceable battery. You'll be able to review 10 hours of 4K video, back up 36,000 photos, or move a terabyte of files on a single charge. Connect the micro HDMI to any monitor or TV and use the Showcase app to play back photos and videos in full resolution.
At GNARBOX, we believe in making the creative process easier for anyone with a camera. GNARBOX 2.0 will save you time and make you a more reliable creator.
With enough support from the community, we aim to begin manufacturing in September and deliver to backers in December of 2018.
Along the way, we've worked with professional photographers and videographers whose feedback helped us reimagine the potential of mobile workflow.
This campaign is our biggest step toward that goal, and we need your help to make it happen.
We've already designed GNARBOX 2.0 SSD, validated our thermal systems, and are ready to meet an IP67 standard.
Please join us in creating the next evolution in mobile workflow.
A few years ago, some of my photography friends would ask, "I've noticed a change in your flash photography. We have the same equipment, but the quality of light you're getting is superior. What are you doing different?" Well, I finally switched to a modifier. Some have tried to make their own, but are always embarrassed walking around with this homemade contraption that always falls off at the most inappropriate time. So what's your secret? Which one did you buy? I was unhappy with the size and the light output of every flash modifier I used. Not only were they not visually appealing, most of them would spray and waste light everywhere. Some were too heavy, too awkward, and would even deform as the night went on.
People bump and bend it, hit it, and sometimes I don't realize it.
We could do better. I knew exactly what I wanted, and the Cobra flash modifier was developed. So I partnered with a design engineer to make a modifier that was going to be redesigned from the ground up. Introducing the Cobra flash modifier, that was designed for flawless integration with your flash. The heart of the Cobra is the forward-facing front reflector, so the light can be controlled, not sprayed everywhere. Cobra has an easy transition of switching from horizontal to vertical. It is light and flexible and packs away easy. And the Cobra only weighs 4.3 ounces. It comes with a unique multitasking silicone band which not only grips and holds the Cobra, it fits almost all flash heads, including the popular wireless 8200. I was amazed to find the difference the Cobra made. Not only were the skin tones softer, but also offered greater coverage from the flash. Using the Cobra flash modifier solved one of my biggest problems, the problem of using direct flash in a dark environment. At events, people would always complain about being blinded by the bright intensity of direct flash. The Cobra flash modifier solved this problem by converting a harsh flash into a soft, diffuse light. With your help on Kickstarter, the Cobra Flash Modifier will be available for you to take your flash photography to the next level.